Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 2025 3D text effect for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my whole file. Go to sheriskpwd.com. Here three different membership plan, one for 30 days and here 90 days, and last lifetime membership. After purchase membership, when you have access to my whole file. Okay. You can customize in Adobe Photoshop. These are PSD files. Here 100 text effect in PSD golden style, and here 3D text effect. You can customize in Adobe Photoshop. Here premium text effect, and next same thing here, and you can customize in Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.